In a land of tall trees and even taller tales lived Charlie, a chameleon with colourful scales. He thought to find love he must always blend, matching the colours of each new friend. Charlie changed from red to green, then to purple, even tangerine. But shifting shades made Charlie feel lost, wondering who he was and at what cost. So one day, under a clear sky, Charlie decided no more to try. He showed his true colours, bright and bold, a stunning sight to behold. And that's when Charlie began to see love's not about who you pretend to be. It's in the smiles, the laughs, the time you give. It's in being yourself. That's the real way to love and live. Happy Valentine's Day, and let us know if you enjoyed the story.